going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil on our pork loin. Rub that in, rub it over it, because we are going to add our seasonings on here. Okay, I'm going to put some thyme, some garlic herb seasoning. This is salt free. Some seasoned salt. Some black pepper. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. Here about 2 minutes on each side. Okay, I think I have that browned on all sides, so now we're gonna put it in the oven. This is a half a cup of chicken broth. You know what? Since this is big as it is, I didn't realize. I'm going to put a 1 cup of chicken broth in here. This pork loin is a little bigger than I thought it was. Put that in there. Get that situated in there. Onion. And just put this in here. This is part of our seasoning. Oven is on to 350. Lid on. It's going to cook for about an hour before we check on it. So that cooks for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. You're going to take the top off and let it cook uncovered for the next 10 minutes, and then it will be ready. It's done. It looks beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna slice that up and get a taste.